In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to start a fully automated YouTube Shorts channel using only AI and monetize it to generate passive income. Thousands of creators are already earning from AI-generated shorts, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how to start a YouTube Shorts channel using only AI, step by step. Instead of just explaining steps, I'll show you how to do everything once so you can copy the exact process and start your own AI passive income channel. Let's build it together from zero. Step 1. Pick a profitable niche. First, I'm going to choose a shorts niche. I open ChatGPT and paste this prompt. Now ChatGPT gives me niche ideas like AI and money, motivation, facts, tech tips. I choose AI and passive income because it has high demand, high earning potential, and endless content ideas. Step 2. Generate viral shorts ideas. Next, I need video ideas. I paste this prompt into ChatGPT. Now AI gives me 30 ready video ideas. I pick one idea. This AI tool can make money while you sleep. Step 3. Write a short script. Now I need a script. I paste this prompt into ChatGPT. AI generates a ready script. I quickly read it and choose the best one. Script is ready. No writing needed. Step 4. Generate AI voiceover. Now I need a voice, but I won't record my own. I open AI Studio, generate speech. You can also use 11lab or Murph AI. Choose single speaker. I paste the script text. I choose male, energetic, English. I click Generate Voice. In seconds, AI creates a professional voiceover. VoiceOver is created automatically. Step 5. Generate AI video. Now I need visuals. I open Pictory AI or InVideo AI or CapCut AI. You can use TempMail for login. Click on Text to Video, 9 to 16 for YouTube Shorts and TikTok, then paste Script, Generate Video. Now you get scene-by-scene video. Now add voiceover in video. Click on Audio, upload AI voiceover. Now apply an entire video. The tool automatically finds stock footage, matches scenes to the script, adds animations, builds the video. In less than a minute, AI creates a complete YouTube short. Video visuals are ready. Step 7. Upload and optimize. Now I upload the short to YouTube. I return to ChatGPT and type, create a viral YouTube Shorts title, description, and hashtags for this AI passive income video. AI generates title, description, hashtags. I copy and paste them into YouTube. I upload the short. Video is live on YouTube. Step 8. Monetization plan. As this channel grows, I can earn money from YouTube monetization, affiliate links, AI tool promotions, and sponsorships. This channel can become a fully automated passive income machine.